Beach? You want to go to the beach? You want to go to the beach? You want to go to the beach? Okay, let's go to the beach. Okay, let's go to the beach. Come on. We're going to go to the beach. Redondo Beach, California, a beautiful beach community just 22 miles southwest from downtown Los Angeles and 7 miles southwest from Los Angeles International Airport. The beach itself is 1.5 miles long and is located near the base of the Palos Verdes Peninsula. You'll know when you're in Redondo Beach when you see a street sign with a sailboat on it, because sailboats are so common to spot and see at any location all throughout the city at any time during the day. Welcome back, everybody. It's so great to be connecting with all of you again and to be showing you all around another beautiful beach city here in Southern California. For those of you who do not know me and are watching my videos for the very first time, my name is Kris, and in this video I'm going to be telling you all about Redondo Beach's main attractions, a general overview of the city, suggest some good bites to eat, show you some hidden gems, and a lot more scenery starting right now. So in my opinion, to get the full experience of Redondo Beach, I'd say you need a minimum of 5 days. The city is known for its Riviera Village, full of outdoor restaurants, boutique shops, and the farmer's market every Sunday morning. Up the street, you get the historic and horseshoe-shaped pier that offers plenty of dining on the water. It's definitely a great place to catch the sunset and watch the entire pier light up and then get ready for the nightlife. Connected is the International Boardwalk, where you can rent sailboats, kayaks, paddle boards, and many other water activities. And overall, it's a beautiful place to be, go sightseeing, and have some fresh seafood. Beyond there is the King Harbor, which holds a capacity of roughly 1,000 boats, plenty of waterfront restaurants and hotels, including the Shade Hotel, which has possibly the biggest jacuzzi you will ever see that's located on the rooftop deck, where you can relax and get a marina view at the same time. Redondo Beach is just one of the 3 beach cities that make up the South Bay of Los Angeles. The other 2 being the casual and energetic city of Hermosa Beach, and then the upscale and classy city of Manhattan Beach. Out of all 3, Redondo Beach is considered the most low-key and is closest to the Palos Verdes cliffs, which not only offer the best views of the South Bay, but the majority of the LA coastline, stretching all the way to the Santa Monica Mountains and Malibu. The area also offers plenty of luxurious and beautiful shopping plazas, as well as some nice ocean trails. As for Redondo Beach, it's a city that's rich in history and certainly a city for art lovers, with many creative murals, plenty of painted benches, and even a staircase full of different designs and different kinds of sea life. It's also a city where you can catch a fiery sunset get your food served on fire, and then enjoy your night celebrating with some fire. So overall, with all that you can do in Redondo Beach with its neighboring cities, they all go very well hand in hand together. One of my personal favorite areas of the city is the Esplanade, a street that is a mile long, full of small public art, scattered from one end to the other. On one end, you get the Esplanade Bluff Gardens, and then on the other end, you get Miramar Park in the neighboring city of Torrance. The Esplanade itself is located on top of a small bluff that gives you the advantage to be on the high ground that allows you to get a clear view in both directions. Parking's easy to find the majority of the time. It's a great place to relax, enjoy the atmosphere, take your dog for a walk, bring over many types of food and drinks that you can get from the many nearby restaurants and cafes. It's a great place to watch the sunset, clear your mind, and overall it's off the beaten path from the many touristy areas in Los Angeles. The area itself is full of beachfront homes, condos, and apartments. But before I continue talking more about the Esplanade, I invite you all to listen to a real estate agent who has experience in selling property and has been a local in the area all of her life. Please listen to a few words from Heather Eisfelder.
Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm a real estate agent here in beautiful Redondo Beach. I'm actually born and raised in the area, so I've had the privilege of living here my entire life. Redondo Beach, in my opinion, is really the best of both worlds. You have that chill beach energy, while at the same time you're still living in one of the biggest cities, being in Los Angeles County. The real estate here in Redondo Beach is fantastic. Not only do we have prime luxury real estate and beachfront properties, but you also have more affordable options. There are so many condominiums and townhouses to choose from. So many also with beautiful ocean views. And Redondo Beach, again, it's just such a relaxing and beautiful place to live. Everyone here is just very relaxed and easygoing. There's so many different restaurants and food options to choose from, so many shopping centers. Again, just such an honor, and I'm so lucky to have lived here my whole life.
Well, I cannot disagree on anything she said, especially the relaxing part. One of my favorite times to come here is in the morning to watch the city wake up, but also with how the sun reflects right off of the water, giving it that calm, glassy, and glazed look. For breakfast, I definitely want to suggest a place nearby on Pacific Coast Highway known as Fanny's, which not only have some of the best breakfast burritos in town, but have been awarded the best breakfast burritos in the entire South Bay area for more than a decade. All of their burritos come with egg, salsa, cheese, and hash browns, but I usually add mine with carne asada, bacon, and avocado. For all of you pastrami lovers, they definitely have something for you too. They also serve coffee, so in my opinion, it's one of the many great ways to start your morning off here in Redondo Beach, being only 2 blocks away and having breakfast with a view. So before I go down on the beach and start showing you all some more down there, there's just one more thing on the Esplanade I'd like to mention. If you like drinking tea, then you don't have to walk far. Uncle Ricos tea van is parked here almost every single day, serving up all kinds of delicious, unique, and colorful milk teas. It's definitely a great place to be during the weekends, at sunset, and even at night when the van is all lit up, adding some nightlife to the area. Now here are a few words from the owner himself, Chad Weber.
Hey everyone, I'm Chad Weber. I'm the owner of Racer Tea. It's a groovy orange tea van that drives around here in Redondo Beach, California. You can find me on the Esplanade soon to be opening a storefront right behind me. These teas are something like you've never had before. They are tea lattes. I put steamed oat milk on top. It's a new way of drinking tea. My favorite is going to be what I call the Teddy. That's an English breakfast tea made with maple syrup with some steamed oat milk. It is delicious. I also serve iced teas or milk tea type creations, once again only using oat milk. So come on down, try it for yourself. You're gonna get addicted, I know it. And see you guys soon.
Definitely what I got addicted to, which ended up being one of my favorite drinks, is the Rasta, made with hibiscus, rose hips, coconut, and pineapple. If you like Thai tea, I definitely suggest you get the Punk, made with agave. I definitely would also like to mention that he is opening up a storefront location as of December 2021. So wherever you decide to go, you're guaranteed a win-win. But whatever you decide to get, I guarantee you they will be the most unique milk teas you will ever taste, and an addiction you will most likely be happy with. Take one down with you when you go for your nice walk on the beach. Make your way towards the Palos Verdes cliffs, which, like I said, offer the best views of the area. The nearest lookout spot, which I consider a true hidden gem, is known as Roseller Point. A short walk up a very small hill, being right above the Palos Verdes Beach and Athletic Club. At the top, there is the gazebo, which is a great attraction for photographers with all of the beach views you can get. Nearby is plenty of open ground, offering similar views, and this is where I'm standing right now. It's a very laid back and relaxing place to be. If you decide to drive, parking is just steps away and at no charge. It's also a great place to catch the sunset, and overall, my #1 suggested destination when you're walking on the beach. So with the beach being 1.5 miles, it's a great attraction for bike riders, volleyball players, and so much more, including church groups, that you could see if you decide to come here on a Sunday morning. It's a great place to suntan and worship, but also if you happen to see a shark in the water, it's the perfect time and place to pray for everybody out there that's swimming and surfing. If you like a nice bike ride on the beach, then there's the famous Marvin Broad and Bike Trail that starts at Torrance Beach, which is located right next to Redondo. You can ride it through the pier, past the boardwalk, and go the next 20 miles all the way to and beyond the world-famous Santa Monica Pier. As far as sports groups go, there are 2 groups I would definitely like to mention. One is the UFC gym from Torrance, who come here occasionally for a beach workout, also known as a Beach DUT, which stands for Daily Ultimate Training. The other is the USA National Handball Team for the Olympics, who also come here occasionally for training and of course to be well prepared for the next Olympics. I felt very fortunate to be interviewing both. Now please have a listen, starting with the UFC coaches and then the captain of the USA National Handball Team.
Hi, I'm Matt, and this is Scott. We're the great trainers from UFC Gym in Torrance.
So we just finished up our beach DUT, where we come down to Redondo Beach every now and then and get a nice little workout at Avenue E. It was a great time. Matt and a bunch of everyone else enjoyed it as well. So if you guys are interested, please come out.
It was a fantastic workout. I'm from the Midwest. Been here to Redondo Beach the last 27 years of my life, and I can't tell you how great it is. It's late October. It's gorgeous. We're out here with our shirts off, getting in shape, hanging out with beautiful people with beautiful vibes, and hope you can make it out sometime.
I'm A.B. Jeremy Dodoma, also known as Handball Ninja. I'm the captain of the USA Men's Beach Handball National Team. Here in beautiful Redondo Beach, California, one of my favorite places in the world to be. It's just a great place to get training in and be able to hop into the ocean for a little hydrotherapy. Post-training is always a bonus. It's just a beautiful location, great atmosphere, great community that supports us as well, and we're just happy to be here.
So the beach ends at the Redondo Beach Pier, which will be its own video, my very 3rd video. My next video will just be a block away from the beach in an area known as the Riviera Village. As you heard from both interviews, Redondo Beach has great weather almost year-round. It's a great community, great atmosphere, beautiful location, and beautiful people. That really got the word beautiful on my mind. So I'm going to be talking about beautiful food, beautiful coffee shops, beautiful restaurants, and beautiful nightlife, and so much more. Stay tuned for my very next video in the Riviera Village.